How we doing, everybody? OPD here. It is another beautiful day in the Cheesy Moon Workshop. We just got home from our estate sale, thrift store, yard sale, Saturday excursion. The wife is out in her she shed playing with her stuff. I'm going to do a quick unload, technically pocket dump. We'll get rid of that guy so that YouTube don't get too upset with me. Give a shout out to these fellas. Actually, well, looky there. CYA Supply Company. Check them boys out. They are, there's a website. Veteran-owned, good old boys out of Texas. This is my daily carry for my Springfield XDS 45. Also have the same CYA for my 9mm. All right, pocket dumping today. This old case. I always like to have a big knife with me. Get in frame there, Joker. I like to have a big knife on me. This thing was severely pitted when I found it, and it was missing the scale on this side, so I kind of roughed one in. That was an earlier project. Good enough though. Nice, comfortable in the hand. Good snap on her. Of course, I got my 1966 Zippo. My fishing knife that I fixed up and put palm wood handles on it. I've been carrying that for the past couple weeks. My money clip, card holder. I think it's made by Coach, not sure. The key ring and light, all this that I've already shown you guys. Great little light there. Nightcore Mini 2. Sweet little rechargeable light. I love it. Today I have my Swiss Army knife with me. Gotta love that. And that was about it for pocket dump today. Did not find much out there today. I found this knife steel. It's in great shape. Picked that up for $1. Always handy to have. And I found this old Hickory Ontario Knife Works, made in USA. Super dull. Had actual serrations in the blade from someone tried to sharpen it or something. And it's going to make a nice companion to the cleaver that I found a few weeks ago. I got this one for $1 today. I think I paid $2.69, $3.69, something like that for the cleaver. I've used it several times. We're going to do some steaks tonight. She's going to get used again. But this knife is just flat out dull. I mean, there's no edge on it at all. So it's raining here at the Cheesy Moon Workshop. So we're going to do a rough profile sharpening with a good old flat file. A flat file and followed up on a whetstone. Brother, you can't get a whole, I mean, yeah, if you got fancy belt sanders and all that stuff, but if you're doing it by hand, this right here will help establish that edge geometry for you. It's a little harder for me to do it this way on the other side, but we'll get it there. And yes, when I'm filing, I file to the point. Or a belt sander, you go the opposite direction, but when using the file, I like to file to the edge. That will help establish that edge profile. You can hear it. There was actually like grooves in here. I don't know what they were doing with it. This could take a while, so I'm not going to bore you with the whole process. We'll just pause the video and I'll pick back up once I get a little bit of an edge on it. All right, we're going to give it a couple more passes here. See if it's even close to getting ready to put on a stone and hone it in. Well, a little bit grabby, but I should be able to take that burr off. Oh yeah. I'll be able to put that on the stone and sharpen that right up. That'll dang sure cut a piece of meat, won't it? Oh, bump the camera again, man. I don't know why this is always my issue. Bumping into stuff, I guess, clumsy, I guess. Well, there we go. Somewhat reprofiled a little bit, ready to put on a stone and tune up. It's definitely sharp right now. Run that across the wet stone. See if we can pick up that edge. Good old flat file. That should always be in your bug out bag, back of your truck, whatever. You know, it doesn't take up any room. It doesn't weigh anything at all. And you need to sharpen up a knife. You sharpen up any piece of metal. You can make a knife in the field if you had to with a decent little file. It's always right there in my box. Well, there you have it, guys. My Saturday find. Now I have a companion for my old hickory cleaver. Something about that patina is really talking to me. And so there you go. That's my Saturday find. Well, we'll include this guy because he was in there too. So until next time, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Once again, anybody wants a Cheesy Moon Workshop sticker, I got some of those. Let me know. Tell me in the comments. We'll get you one sent off to you. So until I see you again, have a beautiful day.